Here with Jim Parshall from Lilly. He's a veteran of the HITLAB Innovator Summits over the years. Jim, what are people asking you about, and what are you finding that is of interest to you here at the summit?
Sometimes people are asking questions around pharmaceutical companies. What their interest would be, how could Lilly use services or a product that they may produce. In other cases, they're just asking me, based on my experience in the industry for 26 years, what do you think? Or they see on LinkedIn, I'm connected somewhere else and they're interested in there. But in any case, I'm happy to answer questions and help the startups along.
So what's happening at Lilly that people are interested in?
Well, Lilly, of course, has made a lot of great, bold moves lately with products and medicine and in making sure patients have access to our medicines. And so they see Lilly in the news, or they see Lilly making great strides in scientific knowledge and advancement, and they want to just understand a little bit more and how they can better help our patients.
Lilly is a big company, but there's still opportunity for partnerships to be formed and alliances to be built because, not everybody has all the answers.
Well, absolutely. So a company like Lilly, all right, in relation to this conference, Lilly has a strong history of developing medicines, but developing digital products is very different.
Right.
And so we really rely upon collaborations and companies with expertise in technology. And so, especially with startups, we love their agility, we love their application of digital technology, and we actually love their different but still healthy perspective of risk, and that complements what pharma can bring to a collaboration. So we love talking.
So hearing a lot again about AI, and I remember about a year ago at this time we were talking about its potential in advancing modern healthcare, and now the message that I hear from a lot of people is that if you're not using it, then you're behind. Does that sound about right to you?
Well, when any type of technology, there's a FOMO type of situation that can happen. But I will tell you that we've made some very public announcements. Lilly is embracing the technology, taking a look how it can best be applied for not just our operations, but in the drug discovery and development process.
It seems like that in those processes, it can shrink the amount of input that you need, and also speed the delivery of results. Which everybody's looking to save money in substantive ways without patient care. That seems to be the logical way.
If you can speed medicines to market, everyone benefits, especially the patient, right? So if there's older process that took more time that can be sped up with technology like AI, and then verified, independently after that, then it's a win for everyone.
So some of the innovators that I have talked to, they tend to fall into two different categories. They're the people who study an aspect of the healthcare system and look for a weakness.
It can be the quality of the innovation. It can be how much of a priority the problem is to solve, depending on whether it's a provider-based question or a payer-based issue or a pharma-based issue, right? There's different ways, and every company, depending on where they are in their portfolio life cycle on the pharma side, may embrace digital health more or less than some of their peer companies.
Lilly is involved in developing the next generation of great entrepreneurs, scientists, what have you, and you're sponsoring some young people at the summit this year.
Yeah, we're very happy to have an opportunity to provide opportunities for Lilly and their HITLAB to actually provide scholarships for students coming to the event. It gives them an opportunity to do some early networking, understand what it's like to be in industry, understand maybe what it's like to be in a big company versus a startup, a provider versus a pharma. And so we're really, really happy that we've been able to make that opportunity available for students, and we've been able to meet a number of them here at the event.
And you might pluck a few of them to work at Lilly.
Well, for me personally, I love the networking. Right, I can be very externally focused. When I'm at Lilly in my job, very internally focused. There's a lot of goals and trying to get the right solutions out into the market. But there's an extreme healthiness to looking externally. And I use an event like HITLAB to understand where's the market going, in this case in digital health. And it allows me to build up relationships with others personally.
Right.
And so that I can learn, but I can also help others through all those relationships.
You do a great job.
Oh, thank you.
Really do appreciate it, Jim.